Chef Alina Z with my friend Claire Vidal.
Hi.
She's French.
Yes.
And we're talking about cleanses, and as you know, I specialize in working with people who like to eat but don't want to cook, who are busy. And Claire's busy, and she was like, I hate these greens and like taking too much time. So let me show you how to make a quick and easy smoothie. Claire's gonna make it. And I have clients who have accidentally lost 2 pounds a week. Some lost like 10 pounds in 2 months by accident. So
I want to try it, you know?
Right, we're gonna try it. So Claire's gonna do everything. Okay, so we're gonna start with kale. It's really easy, like you just put everything in here. Okay. Then we have organic strawberries. These are frozen. I prefer frozen because they're actually gonna be more ripe.
What is this?
I know, it doesn't look real appetizing. I know. But these are frozen bananas, you guys. But they're bananas. They're frozen bananas.
Right, how many?
Just put one banana.
Okay.
Just put one frozen banana. Make sure to peel them. That's why they look like that. They're like they've been sitting in the freezer. Okay, so Claire, take one of these pills.
Okay.
These are the magic pills. We have chlorella pills. So you can buy chlorella in a capsule. You can buy it in a powder. I like capsule. It's easier to travel. So just twist it like this and pour like this. Yeah, and just open it in there. And Claire hates the greens. She gave them to me. I was like, all right, this is great. Then we're gonna do maca. This is a fermented maca by New Chapter. Put a little bit in there, like half of a teaspoon thing. If you don't want to do coffee, like this is awesome. You have recovery. Recovery? You want to recover? Okay, then we're gonna
Endurance.
Endurance. Oh, I like that. I like how it sounds.
Same word.
Endurance. Oh. Okay, a little bit of protein powder. Take your favorite protein powder. I prefer vanilla flavor. Like half of that. Put it in there. Okay. And then almond milk.
Yes.
If you're a beginner, get vanilla almond milk.
Yeah.
There you go. That's good. Okay. So easy peasy, right?
Well, so far so good.
Put it in here. See, if Claire can do it, you can do it. Okay. And then we're gonna press this button up and blend. Okay, if it tastes good, I'm gonna take the credit. If it doesn't taste good, we're gonna blame it on her because she's an amateur.
I'm really ready to try this.
Okay, look, it's green. Alright, let me get a straw. I'm getting a straw.
Okay.
So you don't have to smell it.
It is, you know, the moment of truth. We say le moment vérité.
Le moment de vérité. De vérité?
Cheers.
Cheers. I like it. I don't know, what do you think?
It's good.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
I think it's really good and refreshing.
Yeah.
And this is super powerful smoothie. Gives you a lot of energy, so you don't have the cravings for crap, so you feel good, so you can fit into your favorite clothes, so you can feel confident, so you can go out on dates. Claire and I can go on dates now.
I think I'm already losing weight. I feel it already. I feel so light.
I have a client, honestly, guys, like texting me, oh my god, Alina, I worked out 3 times today. Like, what's wrong with me? And I'm like, well, you had my dinner. I made him an amazing dinner. And the smoothie. And I had a client who lost 50 pounds. All started with a smoothie. So I believe in loving yourself the way you are. You don't need to lose weight. But I believe that if you love yourself, you want your body to feel the optimum best. So you can do more things in life, whatever things you are craving to do. There you go. All right, well, cheers to your health, guys.
Cheers.
Let me know if how you like it, and if you want other recipes for this smoothie, similar smoothie. This is a magical smoothie. Try it for yourself. Try to believe it. And until later, bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.